So here we have the robot moving. We're going to activate the door alarm. So here we're going to open the door. And as you can hear, the alarm has been activated. And that's because we're breaking contact on this door sensor here, which makes a contact on the inside here. So to turn this alarm off, we have to close the door. We press reset on the remote control. The alarm is deactivated. Come down to the control box and we press servo on. We wait for the click. It's reset and we press start. And the machine carries on.